Hello and welcome to EMMO Electric Bikes. In this video, we will be talking about our high-end mid-drive model OXE. It comes only in black color and is equipped with a 48-volt system. This amazing bike comes with the biggest fat tire for an e-bike, as well as hydraulic disc brake for the front and the rear wheel. Also comes with the light, bell, and bike controls, as well as 7-speed Shimano shifter. A 48-volt lithium battery and rear suspension system, tail light, and adjustable seat post. Front suspension for a nice off-road ride, as well as a rear suspension to give you the best riding experience. On the handlebar itself, we have the throttle. Next to it comes the gear shifter. In the middle, there is the display. Then the light, bell, and control of the display. If you press and hold the M button, the bike will turn on and the display will show you all the information you need to know. Please make sure that the key is in the on position. The battery is removable, so you charge it either in or outside of the bike. To remove the battery, you will need the key. Push it and turn it to unlock position, and because since it is a special battery, you need to be more careful while removing it from the bike. Hold it with both hands and slide it up a bit to loosen it. And then to put it back, just align it again and push it down. When you're ready to change the battery, all you need is your charger and regular outlet. Plug in the battery first to the outlet. When you're done, unplug the wall first, then the battery. The charger has a light indicator. Red means charging, green means it's complete, or it means the battery's been disconnected from the charger. Thank you for choosing EMMO for your next adventure.